In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can make $3,000+ per month just by using a copy and paste method, and that too for free. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world simply by using your smartphone, laptop, or your computer. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any opportunity to make money online. This copy and paste process consists of 5 simple steps. Step 1. Head over to vidtao.com. Look at this. Free YouTube ad library. Now don't worry, you won't have to run any ads. As promised earlier, you'll just be copy and pasting to make money. Just click on sign up for free, and then I will be showing you how you will make money from this. Once you sign up, this is what your dashboard should look like. As you can see, these are all the ads that have existed on YouTube. And look at this one. This one has got over 20 million views. For step 1, this is what we need to do. We just need to identify a video that has got millions of views. And now, let's head over to step 2. Step 2. You need to copy the link of this video. How do we do that? To copy the link of this video right here, just click on the video and then click on this YouTube link right here. This is going to take you to the ad as you can see here. Now all you need to do is copy the link by selecting this bit right at the top. Now that you have this link, we will use a free website to get all the text for this video ad. To do this, go to 360 Converter on Google. Select the first link. Now scroll down a bit to this part right here where it says YouTube video to text. Click on Get Started. On this page now, you just need to paste in the link you just copied and then click on Continue. You'll now be taken to a page like so. Here, all you need to do is scroll to this part to select the language of the video. Since our video was in English, we just need to click on this drop-down menu and then select English United States. Now scroll to the bottom, and for this part, just select Transcribe Entire File. And finally, click on Transcribe to get the script for this video ad. It will now take a moment to generate the script. I will directly take you to the part where it has generated the script just so. You don't have to wait. As you can see, it has generated the entire script of the video. Now that we have the script, copy it. And now it's time to go to step 3. Step 3. Head over to Spinbot. Here, paste in the script that you previously copied like so. Now click on Basic Spin right here. And just like that, without having to do anything yourself, you get a completely unique script as you can see here. Now you too can make a video and then earn money from it. Again, I will show you a completely free website which will make the entire video for you. So which website is that? Head over to InVideo to convert your script into video. First, you need to sign up for a free account. To sign up, simply click on this sign up button right here. Now you can either choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can enter your name here and then some other email address that you use. Next, enter a password here, and then you just have to click on Create Account, and you'll be taken to a page like so. These are just some basic questions that you need to answer before you can access your free account. For this one, you can just select the business owner/solopreneur. It really does not matter which one you choose. Now for this one, again, you can use whichever option you want. And don't worry, you will not have to create the video yourself. So I'll pick the first option just for the sake of this video. Here, click on None of the Above, and here, let's go with option C. Again, for any of the questions, you can really choose anything that suits you best. For this one, let's select, say, option A. And now we wait a little, as a free account is being created for us. So this is what the dashboard of your account should look like. From here, just click on Text to Video right here. And as you can see, there are so many video templates for you to choose from. And that too, completely for free. Say, let's select this one. Now click on Use Template, and boom! You just need to paste in the new script that you got from Spinbot, and a video will be created for you. Before we proceed any further, take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so that you can get notified of every Making Money Online video, and you too can then make big money online. Back to the video now. For the headline, as mentioned earlier, you can simply copy and paste in the title of the YouTube video. I'll simply write in Medicine for Eye Health for now. Next, paste in the script that you copied from Spinbot in this big white box here, where it says Add Story. Now click on Next and relax, as the software makes the entire video for you. It will take only a few minutes. Boom! As you can see, the entire video has been created for you. To add a voiceover to your video, you can simply go to the advanced editor in InVideo. From there, you just need to click on voiceover, and then select Automated Text-to-Speech. Now you can simply click on Generate VoiceOver, and it will do the job for you. Now that you have your video with the voiceover ready, we're ready for Step 4. Step 4. Making money. How do we make money with the video we just created? We'll need to use a website called ClickBank. Here, we can find thousands of products that we can promote for free. And then, you will be paid a commission every time someone purchases a product from using your link. This is the homepage of ClickBank. Click on Start here to complete the sign-up process. You should be seeing a pop-up like this. For now, click on Skip this quick start guide. You will then be taken to the sign-up page directly. Here, you need to fill in details such as your country. And if you click on this drop-down menu, you'll see that there are so many countries available, which means that no matter where you're watching this video from, this is your big chance to make money. Now, after selecting your country, you need to enter your first name and your last name. You also need to enter your phone number here. Now you need to enter your email address here and also a password. Make sure that the password you choose matches all of the criteria listed here. Next, check off this box right here to confirm that you have read and you agreed to the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click on Join ClickBank and a free account will be created for you. Now at the top, you need to click on Marketplace. And now where it says Find Products, you can type in whatever product you want. We're going to type in Simply Health. Look at all these products that come up. And we can also check out the commissions that they pay out. Say we want to promote this product. The commission it pays out is really good. Click on Promote, and this pop-up shall come up. Now you just need to click on Generate Hop Links right here, and you will get a link to promote. When people purchase the product using your link, you get paid. You're literally making money by just copy and pasting. Now select this box right here to copy the link, and you can now use this in your video description to make money. Now for the final step. Step 5. All you need to do now is to upload the video you created from InVideo on YouTube, and then insert the link from ClickBank in the video description, as these people have done.